kill her?
Come, you say it. You say it. God punish you, idiot. Fool. You tell me who asked your opinion. Like I do. No. Oh yeah. No. Nigga. No. In fact, sit on the air like this. Like this. Very nice. On the air. Like this. Sit. Your legs will bubble. I'm sorry. Sit down. I'm sorry. Are you kneeling on slippers? Onome, you are kneeling on top of slippers. I'm sorry, Auntie. Okay, you're getting creative. You're finding ways to make punishment easier. I'll help you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. No. I'm not angry. Already your knee is paining me. I'm sorry, so let me. Easier for you. No, I just gave you a bath. The sweat is gone. See, you're not sweating again. Are you still sweating? No more sweat. Where? Lie down. Stretch your hands. Lie down and stretch your hands. Lie down flat. You're kneeling with slippers. Punish you, brainless.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You're dead for that. Forgive me. Yours. Now shut your mouth. Hold your mouth. Hold it. Marcus! Get me walking. Do you hear me? Your head. You should have waited. You should have waited till I was already at the gate, exiting the compound. Then you would throw your useless good morning at me. I'm sorry. You're stupid. When you're done cleaning that, mop the entire house. And we have yam and vegetables. I want you to make vegetable sauce with that vegetable. Okay.
Auntie, I don't know how to make vegetable sauce the way you like it. The last one I made, you said it wasn't nice, and I don't know how I can make...
You're an idiot. A brainless fool. Ichi, you didn't know how you can make vegetable. So your useless mother did not teach you how to make vegetable sauce. If I say you're useless now, you begin to tell me you want to go back to your mother. I know for a fact that I've taught you how to make vegetable sauce, haven't I? But you're too much of a blockhead to grasp any wisdom. Don't get me upset. By the time I return, I want to have that vegetable sauce and yam served on my table. You understand?
Yes, Auntie. God, please. God, just help me. Help me in this house. I don't want to die before my time. I don't want to die before my time.
What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? The deed is done. Please let's move on. Why treating me this way? Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, I'm in pain. Somebody tell me what to do right now. Yeah. Don't pay back me back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is no man. Yeah. To forgive is divine. So don't pay back me back. Don't pay back me back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is no man. Yeah. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back me back. Nobody knows tomorrow. Today is no man. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back me back. Cause nobody knows.
Come on, Auntie.
What are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
You're watching television. Who asked you to?
Nobody.
Onome, your late father in his entire lifetime could not afford a television. Your sick mother, even if she lives for 100 extra years, she cannot afford a television. Why are you sitting down and watching my TV?
I'm sorry, Auntie.
Is that what you should be doing? Are you done washing the clothes?
Yes, Auntie Ruby.
Did you make the vegetable sauce?
Yes.
What about the plates? Did you wash them?
Yes, I did.
Also, because you're done with your stupid chores, you think you should sit on my expensive couch and watch television. You're lucky. Lucky. Good. Otherwise, I would have pounced on you right now. My friend, get lost! Your smelly self polluting the air in my living room.
What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, somebody tell me what to do right now, cause I'm dying in pain. Oh, don't pay back me back. Oh, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back me back. No, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is no man. Don't pay back, cause nobody
you said I should start my jump lesson today.
Right. I changed my mind.
Auntie, please don't change your mind. Please, it's not fair. If I don't start this jump today, I won't be able to meet up. And I might even fail the exam.
Wagam. That is the very point I have been waiting for you to arrive at. Baby girl, if you fail this exam, you have automatically obtained your certificate in hairdressing business.
No. No. I don't want to be a hairdresser.
That's my business. How is it my business what you want to become or not?
Please don't do this to me. Please.
Get inside before I pounce on you. Now! Get out! Look at her. Tiny little witch. You pig from the gutters. I picked you out from poverty and now you look at your mouth like auntie. Maybe I should stop paying your mother's monthly dialysis. 200,000 naira. I should cease payment of that money. By the time your mother dies and you become an orphan like myself, then you will tell me how you will survive. Okay. Think I care? You think I care? If you go to your stupid lesson or not? No, come and pass. Come and pass. And if I don't pluck out your eyes this afternoon, you know that it's not me. You will know it's not Ruby that is talking to you. On your feet. What was that?
I just want to see a movie.
And who told you that what is showing on the TV is age appropriate for you?
You can put Telemundo.
Telemundo? In whose house? Mine or your father's?
I'm sorry, auntie. Just that I just want to see a movie.
Well, there is no Telemundo in this house. Not on my TV, no.
No. I have seen Telemundo before in this house.
Really?
Yes.
My friend, get out! Get upstairs and get busy! If you have nothing to do, go to my room and fix it! Dress the bed. Hey, stand there. Dress the bed. If I see an iota of sand in that bed, you will chew it. Get out and keep going. Hello, baby girl. I'm fine. How about you? Okay. Eh? Did you just say you're in town? Hey! Oh, baby! I can't wait to see you. I cannot wait to see you. Okay, I'll be waiting. See you. Yes, now, where are you? On the right side of the road or on the left? From where you're standing, do you see a left turn? Oh no, you've missed it. You know what we'll do? Go back to the junction. The V junction. No, it's better we start from the V junction. That way, yes. Okay. Keep going. No, I'm on the line with you. I will not cut till you get it right. I'm at home, of course. From that V junction now, ask them of Ibori Estate. Ibori Estate is not actually far from that V junction. You don't know it now? So right behind them. Be coming, I'm at home. Okay. What is it? What is it that you wanted to tell me that could not wait? That thing you have to tell me better be bringing me millions of naira in this instant. What?
I need transport.
Transport fare? I thought you wanted to leave angrily. No, leave now. Leave or then leave. Move. Where is she going? Eh? She or not? Spell transport. Spell it. Jamba to spell transport.
T-R-A.
T-L-A?
No.
Open your mouth and talk. Is that how you teach you in that your stupid lesson?
I said T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T.
My sister, living in Abuja was not easy at all. Hookup is no longer paid. Even the sugar daddies are now stingy. On the other hand, husband no gree come. In fact, Abuja was not a choice play at all.
So are you telling me now that you have relocated?
Well, temporarily. Let me just hustle here a little and see the difference. And then I'll know how to take it from there. Oh, I was meaning to ask, what happened between you and your husband?
Girl, you know me. I don't take nonsense from anybody. The man match line. Now I change him for her. I sued him for divorce. And after a series of court processes, I was settled. They settled me. He settled me with this house and 15 million naira.
Girl! You are made.
Tell me about it. Like this now. All I just want is to enjoy my life. I have no space in my life for any cheating man of any sort. No.
Wait, he cheated on you?
Countless times he did. Till I couldn't deal anymore.
Wow.
Girl, let me advise you. Leave hookup business. Leave hookup business. You said it yourself. Hookup no dey pay anymore. Find a man and settle down with. Then live a decent life.
Fine. Where you see them? I be make her go find cheating man.
I didn't say a cheating man. You know a good man when you see him. Where's my balance?
Madam, it's 100 naira.
How many times have I told you to always return my change when you return from an errand?
Sorry, ma.
Get out.
Sorry.
babe. If I leave the change for him now, it's just 100 naira.
I pay him salary. If he wants money, he should take from his salary.
Yeah. I'm in pain. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, somebody tell me what to do right now, cause I'm dying in pain. Don't pay back to buy. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back to buy. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. To forgive is human. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back to buy. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human. And to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? The deed is done. Please let's move on. Why you treating me this way? Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, I'm in pain. Somebody tell me what to do right now. Yeah. Don't pay back to back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human. Yeah. To forgive is divine. So don't pay back to back. Don't pay back to back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human. Yeah. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back to back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back to back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human. To forgive is divine.
Are you the one that cleared this place?
Yes, auntie.
So why is he still breaking us?
I only removed the bottle and swept the floor.
Have you seen you smart? If you were sensible, you would know that this place deserves to be mopped. But no, you don't know that one. Because you are as dumb as your useless mother.
And you just stop insulting my
I
mother.
will insult your mother. I will insult her ceaselessly. And there is nothing you can do about it. Is your mother not stupid? Your old wretched mother, is she not foolish, wretched, broke? Am I not the one that sends money, food, and clothes to her? And be nice to your mother. Paying 200,000 naira, it's me being nice. Don't make me change my mind. By the way, what were you doing inside?
I was eating.
Mop here. Right this instant. In fact, mop the whole house. The whole place is stinking. You will starve for the next 2 weeks. In compensation for that vegetable sauce that you threw away. Idiot. I don't blame you. Do you contribute 1 naira to the food in this house? That's why you can afford to cook and wash away as you like. You're cooking nonsense, I'm not here. Idiot. I want to go in this house. You might think that this thing is broken. I have another one for you. Do I come inside?
I'm in pain. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, somebody tell me what to do right now, cause I'm dying in pain. Don't pay bad to bad. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay bad to bad. No. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human. To forgive is divine. Don't pay bad to bad. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human. And to forgive is divine. What did I do?
Onome. Onome.
Yes, Auntie.
I need a glass of water.
Okay, Auntie.
What were you doing inside?
I was reading my books. We are starting exams next week.
Did I ask you that? Did I ask when your exams are taking place? Apropos. You talk out of tune. By the way, what was it I heard you say? Did you say you were reading your books? Are you supposed to be reading your books or studying your books?
Studying my books.
Not good. If I say you're useless like your mother now, you'll get upset. But here you are brandishing uselessness. Who asked you to go? Okay, you have lost all your manners. You want to go? I'll punch it on you now. No, go now. Go. Why did you say you are reading books instead of studying? You see that you're already on your way to failure. You're a failure, you can never make it. See hairdressing work waiting for you, jejely. Hey, what do you think? Go for it. Take, I don't want to give. Coming.
It was an emergency and they took my phone.
Who took your phone?
Let me sit down first. I'll tell you everything. It's a very, very long story. A very long one. Honestly, I did not know he was a ritualist. Okay, see what happened. His boys took me to the hotel and I was there waiting. Then after some minutes he came in. And when he came in, he just went straight to the bathroom. Okay, that wasn't a problem. Oh. After some minutes, I started hearing some sound. And when I moved close, he was making incantation. As if that wasn't enough, I started perceiving something and it was smelling like incense. You know those bad incense? So I opened the door. I was about to sneak out and his boys, they saw me. I ran for my life and they were chasing me. I kept running for my life. Hey.
So how did they take your phone?
That one is another matter. When the boys were taking me to the hotel, they said their Oga does not like girls that press their phones. So they took it and said, I can take my phone on my way out. So that was it. That's how they took my phone.
That doesn't make sense.
I know, right? You don't believe my story, right?
That's a weird story.
I thought so too. Very unbelievable story. I know. Hi. God, thank God I'm here.
You are still here, cleaning this tiny table and this tiny pile. Is this a hall? Is it a wedding hall? What is large about this that you cannot finish up in seconds? Hurry up! You hear me? Hurry up so you can attend your stupid lessons. And remember, you have to cook before you go out.
Auntie Ruby, please, if I cook, I'll be late to lesson.
Meaning you're not hungry and you will not be eating in order to attend and in good time.
No, but Auntie...
Shut up! It's settled. You're not hungry, you're not cooking, and you are not going to touch the rice in the kitchen. That is for me. If you touch it, you will die. I will kill you.
Wait, hold on now. You brought to the hotel. That was so harsh. She's just a little girl.
Who is a little girl? This Onome that can sell this entire house is a little girl?
You know that's not true. I don't believe that. Huh? And you know I know you very, very well. So you're still this harsh and stubborn.
Do you know the mother of that girl?
No, I had no idea.
Come back here! I said, come here! Are you mad? I said, come here! So, I was saying on the errand, you messed this up, huh? Auntie, please! No! Leave this mom! Leave this mom! I will kill you!
Agnes, what's going on? You will kill this girl one day.
Yes, I will kill her. I want you to kill her.
I'm not involved. I will kill this guy, Agnes. Stop that! Please stop that. What do you want to kill her?
Yes, I will kill her. It's less man.
It's okay. Look at the woman. Listen, it's okay, stop crying. But you know that you're because of all these things. You know that. What I told you. All this money, I will be protecting you. I'm not beating you. Just admit what I'm telling you. Doing it. Nobody will find out.
Are you not supposed to be my uncle?
I'm not supposed to be your uncle. We are not related. You're related to her. Listen, you're related to her. Even to us, you understand. Because you know they argue with us. And nobody will find out. Let's be doing it, okay? Look at how this stuff you can. Stand up. No, just stand up. Give yourself up. Give yourself up. Agnes, you kill this this girl one day, oh. Agnes. I'm warning you, oh. She's your sister, Agnes. It's okay. Don't worry. Just get yourself.
Just be fast with this thing before I come back and try and prepare something. Useless girl.
Where's your auntie?
She has gone to the market.
That's good. Can you come to my room now?
I can't come to yours.
I thought we had an agreement.
Uncle, we have no agreement though.
You are getting me angry. And stop acting like a small girl.
But I'm a small girl.
I know. Come, I'll give you some money. Yeah? Come. Come, I'll give you some money. Come on.
I don't need your money.
Yeah,
I don't need your
come
money.
on.
I don't need your money, Uncle.
Yeah,
Uncle, I don't need your money now. Uncle.
Yeah,
Uncle, I don't need your money.
Agnes maltreated me so much. And her husband, who is Onome's father, sexually abused me. It was from their house I ran away. I ran into the streets. While at the streets I met the useless man that married me. As you know, I am a divorcee now.
What about Onome's father? Where is he?
He's dead. He died last year. And the family had to call for a reconciliation. His wife knelt and begged for my forgiveness. Obviously because I'm in money now. I forgave her and decided to relieve her of her responsibility, which is taking care of Onome. But Onome is so annoying. She irritates me. The sight of her irritates me just because I can't help but remember the ways her father treated me.
I can imagine. So this is payback, right?
I don't know about that.
Remember, she's very innocent.
Oh, please, nobody's innocent. As I speak to you, 200,000 naira is deducted from my account every 3 weeks on account of her mother's dialysis.
What dialysis?
Kidney. The mother's kidney is faulty, and as the wealthy one, I'm footing the bills. Now, place that in comparison with the minor works she does. Cook, clean, wash. What is
What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, somebody tell me what to do right now, cause I'm dying in pain.
And where do you think you're going? Where are you going?
I'm going to listen.
By 11 a.m. Who are you kidding? It's not 10 a.m. you should be there. Get inside.
No, Auntie, please. Please, I have to go. I have not been consistent since I started this lesson. Please, Auntie, please.
And you think I care if you're consistent or not? Do you know my actual prayers for you? I pray that you fail. I pray that you fail woefully so that I will gladly register you for some peasantry work or the other. You know why? It's because I don't have money to put you in a higher institution. Did your parents put me in a university? Did they? Instead, they pushed me into the streets where I had no choice but to become a hooker. And now this ex-hooker is paying your mother's dialysis.
Auntie Ruby, must you always say this to my face all the time? Must you? I thought you forgiven my parents after the family reconciliation. I thought you did.
Well, the memories of it haunt me in my sleep and in my dreams.
Auntie, please.
Get in.
Please. I'm very sorry for everything that happened to you. I'm truly sorry. Lord, but please just allow me to go to lesson. Please.
Shut up and get inside. You think I'll be moved by those
What did I do to deserve
Get in and get used.
What's my crime that can be forgiven? Somebody tell me what to do right now, because I'm dying in pain.
Tell her. Tell your lesson teacher why did he show up today.
What is wrong with you?
This girl right here is very useless. And that is why I brought her to my house. To make her useful. There is nothing in her head. This one.
No, that's not true. Onome here is the best in my lesson, and that is why I am worried.
Really? Well, in here she's useless. She doesn't know how to do anything. She doesn't know how to cook. She does not know how to wash even her own clothes. Every other day I am running helter-skelter to the dry cleaners, dry cleaning her clothes. Go ahead and tell her
Madam, you don't need to worry about that. Eh? Onome, I will arrange a special class for you. Yeah? As for the topic that you miss, I'll make her send for you. But all you need to do is just wake up very early, do your house chores, and come to lesson by 10 a.m.
You just hit the nail on the head. This one sleeps till 8 a.m. And even then, I have to be the one to wake her. I wake her. I don't know if she attends a meeting in their coven or what.
It's okay. Yeah? Onome, make sure you come to listen tomorrow morning. Yeah? Don't worry.
What can you get out? Get out before I throw this thing at you.
Make sure you always do your house chores.
That's her.
Yeah?
Behaving as if she's a good girl.
Don't worry, she'll be a good girl.
Meanwhile, you're a terrible human being.
It's okay. It's okay. I would like to play my game now. Yeah?
Don't
worry, she'll be fine. I'll be fine. I don't want her to drop. Anyway, I don't know the kind of problem she's facing at home. But all I know is that Onome is a very intelligent girl. Yes, and there's a scholarship program coming up soon. A friend of mine gave me the link and I want Onome to take part in the exam. And when she passes, the school organizing the scholarship program will take care of her and everything. Yes.
Scholarship, you said?
Of course, yes.
Please. Onome is not smart. I know because I live with her. So if you stand there and tell me that she's the smartest in your class, it means your students are zombies. Dull heads, that's what you have.
Madam, please don't sleep it. I have been organizing lessons for JAMB and WAEC students. And all of them have been doing well. None of them have ever complained. Yes.
Well, my niece will disappoint you if you put your hopes on her. She will not be registering for your scholarship process.
Madam, you don't need to worry about that. I will personally work on her.
I just said she will not participate. Is it that you're dumb or you're pretending not to hear me? Hello, Marcus. She's done here.
Mother, you don't need to say that.
Madam, if my madam say, make you dey go, make you begin dey go. If Nadia comes out, she's a goddamn bad woman. You don't go like what she will do to you or to me.
My dear, she won't do anything. She won't dare it.
I beg, madam.
Please, leave me, leave me. Your madam is so... in fact, oh.
Onome! Onome!
Yes, auntie.
Come downstairs. Thank your stars. Thank your stars that you did not open that filthy mouth of yours to say nonsense to your teacher. Thank your stars. I know you think I'm maltreating you. But it's because you're useless. And it was because I could not bear your uselessness. That was why I took you from your mother and brought you here to give you usefulness. Because I know that your mother is not capable. Or is she? Don't you dare do anything silly that will make me change my mind. Did your teacher tell you about any damn scholarship?
No, auntie. She only said if I work hard, she will register me in a program. But she didn't tell me if it's a scholarship or not.
Well, there is a scholarship, but you will not partake in it. Because you're very dull. And I know you will fail woefully, so why bother? What is that? Did I ask you to talk? Shut your trap. Now go and dress up. We're going somewhere.
Hello, Auntie Ruby. I'm still here waiting for you. Are you not coming again? Okay, you're coming. Alright, I'm still waiting. Yes, I'm in the room. I'm still waiting for you. Okay.
Hey, how are you? Calm down. Onome, right?
How did you know my name?
You mean your auntie didn't tell you?
Tell me what?
Come on, I paid her for everything. I even gave her extra money.
You paid her for what?
She told me you're into hookup.
Me? Onome to
this trap. Where do you think you're going? Where? Hello, Ruby. Yes, she ran away. She even kicked me on my belly. You mean you didn't tell her? But why? I paid you for everything.
You know what? You know what? You're going to give me back everything I've given to you. Even the extra money I give to you, you're going to give it back to me. What's the meaning of all this?
What happened?
You asked me to wait for you in a room. A guy came in and he wanted to sleep with me. He said he has paid you and the both of you have already discussed about it. Auntie Ruby, why would you do such thing to me? What have I done?
Come here. Onome, come and stand here. Right on this spot. Keep walking closer to me. Are you a virgin? Are you a virgin? Have you not had sex before? You're going to stand there and pretend to have never had sex. Look at you. A very simple task that I gave you. A very simple task that I gave you. You could not accomplish. I mean, the whole idea was for you to use your private part, considering you're not a virgin, to make money. Extra money that we will send to your mother in the village for dialysis. But no, you rather heap the whole burden on me. I am your cow. Your milking cow. Where do you think I get money from? You think I pluck money from trees? Huh? Listen to me. Let this be the last time you do nonsense like this. If I ever set you up with a guy, you better play ball. You better play ball. Get up. What? Keep walking.
To deserve this. What's my crime that can be found?
Wasting my energy. Wasting my time.
Right now, cause I'm dying in pain.
It's not like you're a virgin. Oh, man, you're not a virgin.
Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back no honor. Cause nobody knows tomorrow.
Onome. Come. Take the money on the table. That is 2,000 naira. I'll need 500 naira change from it. The rest of the money is yours. Because I am traveling. I'll be going away for a week with my friend. So the money you're holding is your upkeep money. This money should be enough to feed you till I return. I mean the money and the small rice in the kitchen. Don't misuse it. Things are hard. If you misuse it, you will starve.
It's Aunt Ruby. You know, this 2,000 naira won't be enough for me for a week. Don't even talk about 1,500. I can just use it to cook for only 2 days.
Did you say those words or did you imagine me spitting them out? This one, you're a bloody ingrate, thief, Ole, Oluchi, Barawo. My 1,500 is not enough for your mouth. What are you feeding your body? Is it not this tiny chicken body of yours? What is the quantity of food that goes into it that 1,500 naira cannot cater for? Tell me. Mind yourself. Don't be a tiny little ingrate. The money is not enough for you. The money your mother has given you in her whole life, has it accumulated to 1,500 naira? In fact, does your mother have 1,500 naira? I think the real question should be, does she have a bank account? Poor village, old, starving woman. You. If the money is not enough for you, go and wake your dead father. Wake him from the grave and ask him to give you more money.
My mother has a bank account. She has a bank account.
So if she has a bank account, she has a bank account. How much does she have in the account? How much? 0 naira. Don't be a fool, oh. This one that your mouth is running. If you misuse this money, you will starve. Hunger will bother you. You will turn to Osu before I come back. Watch. By the way, on my way from my trip, I'll stop briefly at the village to see your useless mother. Hopefully, when I give her the money I have for her, she won't be an ingrate like you.
Stop insulting my mother. I don't like it. Just stop insulting her. Stop insulting my mother.
Get out! Get out! Stop insulting my mother. When your mother is nothing but insult personified, has she not been insulted by life already, given the pathetic state that she is on already? Is she not? Onome! Onome! Come back here. Come back here now. You look mwah.
Thank you.
Come on.
Turn around. 360 for me.
Onome! Bring a chair. You wish.
Thank you, darling.
You know the you know the time.
What to do now?
It's just the shit.
I have no choice.
Hurry up, idiot. Fast, fast. Fast, fast here.
How are you?
Be going now. Should we fry chicken before you go?
Thank you, Dad.
I come to ask you questions. First of all, tell me about these guys we're going to meet.
Well, they just came into the country. In fact, I got the contact from my friend. So they just want people to keep them company, you know now.
Me, I don't really know. I mean, you know I haven't done this in a while. Since I got married.
You are no longer married. And this thing is short deal, not correct deal. Trust your babe now.
How much are they offering?
Okay. 5 million for a week.
Tempting. Are you sure they are not ritualists?
See, these guys are even white men, and white men don't do rituals.
White men do voodoo.
Stella, see, these guys own multi-million-dollar companies. They are well made.
I mean,
aha, that's my girl. So, what would you do with your niece?
With who?
Your niece.
This old mama. She's not a baby. She'll be fine. Alone in the house. Besides, I already gave her enough money to last her for over a week, feeding and all that.
That sounds nice. Seems you're beginning to treat her better and you've forgotten everything her parents did to you.
Well, I thought about it. Thank you.
I trust you, girl. I know what you can do.
You want a drink?
Yes, something very cold.
Onome! Onome!
I am Agnes. I'm not really late. No, I don't have anything in this house, so I would have offered you something. I really understand. My friend and I are traveling, but I had to stop by to see you. Ofuma, I am fine. Thanks to you, I am fine. You go high, Onome. Onome is so good. She is the best in her class. Very intelligent girl. I'm proud of her. The school is insisting that she enrolls in their forthcoming scholarship exams. They believe she will pass. When she passes the exams, the school will sponsor her academics to the university level. I'm the one begging her to enroll. Hey, God bless you. God will continue to bless you for what you have been doing in my daughter's life. If not for you, I would have been a dead person since. It's okay. God bless you. Amen. No, let me see.
What is hey?
Hey, what? Wait. You mean you can be this nice to this woman, yet you are killing her daughter back at home?
But I remember telling you the story of that woman and her husband. Girl, it's payback time.
But you also told me you were going to change towards Onome.
Yes, I said I would change, and I haven't. Sue me.
Sorry, ma. But what about the scholarship story? Did you also make that up?
No, that's part of the story.
Yeah, you're unbelievable.
Please enter the car. We're running late. Oh,
don't pay back to back. Oh, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back to back. No. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. To die is over. To forgive is divine.
every time I did this back. When I just inside my car, my eye, one of my left eye, I need it.
I don't understand. Why you dey
What? What? You get I even see some girls for street where they don't even find like you. Eh? Wait, what do you make me do pure water? Now this pure water, now you go take make am.
For now this business I dey do. You see, I get very wicked auntie. She wicked die. She's trying to frustrate my life.
Sorry. I see the bill. For each family, they get all those kind of wicked or poor wicked auntie. Then when they see like this now, Papa get money before.
Get money?
Yes, now.
Where?
Papa get money before.
Not true, so I won't ask you. This business, like for how long will you continue to do this kind of business? For how long? Like you don't have any plans of going to school or doing something?
school now, my mates.
Why you talk so?
Let me tell you just now. My papa, that boy for you. As he died, all those wicked uncle, auntie, all of them, so they carry on my Colombia on my papa. They don't leave my mama with me with nothing. I tell like this now, I did well for school that time. When I see the place that time, I was one of the best students for my school. But not good job, go school.
And so you did. You know, say people always sabi something. They don't get sponsor. They don't get. But if you see those olodo them, sponsors from east west everywhere. I will see they happen, but I get good news. This is my lesson teacher. She talk say, he get one scholarship program when they come up. So if you are able to register and pass the exams, the school take care of everything. They take care of your school fees, take care of your books, take care of everything you need.
Lie. After you don't write the exam, before you write the exam, they come say, you are not paying for the school fees, but come and pay for consultation fee, come and pay for this one fee.
Lie.
I need sexy.
Say
Amani,
I swear, I know the lie.
you not go work.
Why?
See, my mama, her salary, only our house rent. We don't dey pay for that part. Mama just like we dey work for our landlord. From January to December, all the money wey they pay am, we all carry inside, we just give our landlord. Na me, na this small money wey I take dey hustle for this bag, this place so now. Now we dey feed. At least we dey buy clothes like 2 times in a year. You understand? Then do other. So if I go write book or go school now, go take care of my mama. How can I go just kill am?
Who is it?
How are you?
I'm fine, Auntie.
Carry your stupid, you can get out! You're waiting to be told.
Sorry. You can carry the book.
Look at her. I just came back now, she's trying to put me in a bad mood.
It's okay.
Who watches TV and reads book at the same time?
It's okay, babe. Now we just got back.
Oh my God. Hi. Home sweet home. Yes, so.
After 1 week of riding on old horses.
Abego, you're the one that rode old horses, not me.
Babe, do you know that man is very annoying? I don't know why he keeps screaming, like, I don't get it.
Why won't he make noise when you're riding him like a she-horse? Why won't he, every time you're riding him like a she-horse? You're waiting for me to say it. I've said it now. The emperor, the conqueror, the champion. Yes. What are you?
Hey, leave me alone, fish out. Hey, God have mercy.
Onome, I'm testing you.
Yes, Auntie.
Bring water, idiots. When people come back from a long distance after facing the sun, they drink water.
Okay, I'll come. It's okay.
Where are you going?
And I'm going to lesson.
Have you washed my clothes? The one I returned last night worked, and the one I used all through the week.
Auntie, the clothes were so dirty, so I had to soak them with hypo bleach. But I promise, once I return from lesson, I'll wash them.
Are you trying to insult me?
No, Auntie, I'm not insulting you.
Whose clothes are so dirty that they had to be soaked with hypo bleach? Me, Ruby. My clothes. God punish you and punished at your mouth. You're very silly. My friend, get upstairs and do my laundry. Now, this minute.
Hey, Auntie, please, not again. I don't want to miss lesson today. Please, Auntie, I beg you.
Bounce on you. If I bounce on you, Onome, if I bounce on you the way I'm feeling now, you will end up in the emergency ward.
Please, Auntie,
get out!
Please, I need to
upstairs!
Auntie,
should I push you upstairs? Walk. Keep on walking!
I'm in pain.
Your destiny that is so
what did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, somebody tell me what to do right now, cause I'm dying in pain. Oh, don't pay back to buy. Oh, cause nobody.
Onome, what is wrong with you? Why will you decide not to come to lesson today?
This one. Did she want to attend? That's the question you would have asked her. I woke her up this morning from sleep. I woke her by 8 a.m. She was there snoring like a pig. And then she managed and swept the house. Vam, 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 vam. She was done. Then guess what followed next? Food! She went into the kitchen and consumed almost a whole pot of food by 9 a.m. And then next thing I knew, she was already seated in the living room watching television. And I was taken aback. I asked her, Onome, don't you have lessons today? You know what she said? She said, no, Auntie. It's already too late to attend. This one.
Onome, you would have at least come. And I would have at least understand. Ma, have you finally considered how to register in the scholarship program?
Why? Why would I do that when it's very obvious that she will disappoint you? This one, don't go and have hope with this one, no. She will fail you. Fail even the scholarship program. She will fail woefully. She's a failure. She's a no good. That's what you are. Excuse me.
Onome, are you okay? Eh? Are you okay?
See, I'm not okay.
Don't worry.
Everything that my auntie said now was all lies.
I understand. Don't worry. I'll get a place we will sit and discuss everything happening with you. Okay? You don't need to worry. Huh? I'm strongly behind you, yeah? You don't need to worry.
Thank you so much, auntie. Thank you.
Just go inside, yeah? Go inside. I'll get back to you.
Come back here. You're going, eh? I know why I'm leaving you to go. It's just so that the whole world will know that I tried. I provided all that you need to pass, but I know you will still fail. So let the world bear witness to the fact that you were nothing but a hopeless idiot. The world is watching. They will hear the results. I'm here watching. Okay, you want to go? Am I done? Am I done talking?
I'm sorry, Auntie.
That's your lesson, teacher. Is she giving you extra lessons in preparation for a scholarship program?
Not yet, Auntie. She said after the registration, she will.
I see. I know what she's planning. Yeah, I know her plans. But it will not materialize. Not when I'm alive. Not when you're under my roof. It will not come to pass. Those plans that she has up her sleeves. Hello. It will not come to pass. You want to cry? No. No, cry now. My friend, get out. Hello. I'm fine. What about you? Oh, I already left. Sorry I could not make it, but thanks. Yes, she's doing great. Sorry, I'm at work now. I have to go. I kept plantain and garlic for you. Who needs your stupid plantain and garlic? Did you poison it? Did I beg?
Please, Uncle, please! Uncle, please! Uncle, please, Uncle, please!
Wait.
Uncle, please! Uncle, please, don't do this! Uncle, don't do this! Uncle,
I said I was protecting you. This is what I told you. Listen.
Uncle, please don't do
Let me
this!
just hold the cap. Let's hold the cap.
Please, Uncle, don't do this!
Listen.
Hey,
Quiet.
Uncle, please! Uncle, please! Uncle,
You don't me.
Uncle, please! Uncle, please! Uncle, please! Uncle, please! Uncle, please, don't do this!
I said
Uncle, you're hurting me! Uncle, you're hurting me!
You enjoy it.
Uncle, you're
Just relax. Relax yourself. You enjoy it.
Uncle, please! Uncle, please!
You enjoy. Relax yourself.
Uncle, please, don't
Relax,
do
man.
this! Uncle, please!
You don't do.
Uncle, please, don't do this!
Stop this now.
Uncle, I'm sorry. Uncle, don't do this. Please. Please. Uncle, please. Please don't do this, please.
husband that is sleeping with you? What? Do you want to spoil the image of my husband and my family? No! That is your problem. Auntie! Hope you have not told anyone yet. No! Eh? Are you sure? No! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Get up! I'm sorry! On Allah! Hey! This girl. Anofia! Useless girl! You are a useless man! How can you force yourself into that little girl?
You are a useless woman. You are a useless woman.
Useless man!
You are a
Shameless
useless
man!
woman.
Idiot! If you did, can you swear that you didn't do it?
Listen.
Swear that you didn't do it with her.
Listen. You are just accusing me for nothing. Understand?
I'm
being innocent.
Okay, I'm accusing you for
I don't know what you're even saying.
I'm accusing you for nothing. You are useless.
I tell you, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Leave my clothes, leave my clothes.
Foolish man.
I don't know what you're talking
Foolish
about.
man.
You are a fool.
Foolish
woman.
Foolish man.
Foolish woman. Foolish woman. Leave me.
Foolish
man.
Foolish man.
What do you tell my wife? Talk, what do you tell my useless girl? What do you tell my wife?
Oh, God.
What did you tell my wife?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You want to destroy my marriage?
No.
What did you tell her? What did you tell my wife?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You want to destroy my marriage?
No.
What did you tell her then?
I'm sorry.
What did you tell my wife? You want to destroy my marriage?
No.
What did you tell my wife? What did you tell my wife?
What did
you tell my wife?
I'm sorry.
What did you tell my wife? What did you tell her? I'm sorry. What did you tell my wife?
Don't pay back to back. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back to back. No. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human. To forgive is divine.
So, you people did mock examination.
Yes, Auntie.
In your lesson center.
Yes.
And this is your result. This. You have the highest score. Oh, what a wow. If this is your result, it means everybody in your class is brain dead. Because how can this your blockhead come up with this result? This. You that don't know anything.
Auntie, I know something. It's just you that don't believe it. Everybody in my class knows that Onome is very, very good.
This Onome that cannot do housework. You that cannot do anything in this house right without me screaming out my voice. You that is very lousy. Has this. I'm not impressed. This is balderdash. I am going to call that your lesson teacher. Because what does she know really that she's teaching you? Because your head is still a dummy's head. As a matter of fact, I am going to have to change you from attending that lesson. You need another one. No what? No, I shouldn't call her. Trying to sway me. You think I'm impressed by this nonsense? This stupid, made-up results of yours. You're a dummy.
It's not fake.
It's fake.
It's
fake. You don't know what. You don't know anything. Your brain is dead. It's sick. There's nothing there.
Something. You don't want to believe in me. I know something.
Why is this one's number not connecting? I want you to tell me the truth. I am the one paying for Onome's lessons. And so I need nothing but the truth. This is a result sheet that she returned from. She claims to have come out top. in the just concluded mock examination. So this result that I'm looking at now, I want to know, did you grade her this high because you like her? Or did she really come up with this on her own?
Onome is the best in my lesson center. And all the teachers in my lesson center recognize her. And that is the truth.
Which Onome are we talking about? The one I live with or another one?
I'm talking about the Onome that lives with you in the same house. Onome is the best. And secondly, when you called me, I thought you were calling me to tell me that you have finally agreed for her to take part in the scholarship program.
There will be no need for that. She's traveling with me to London tomorrow on vacation.
London? What about the jam?
First, if she misses this one, she'll enroll for another next year. The gate is open. Oh, and this is yours. I'm going out.
Okay.
Keep the whole house clean. Sweep, mop, wash, cook.
Okay.
When I say cook, I mean moderate salt, moderate pepper. Don't make a disaster and call it food. And when you're done, don't you dare sit in my living room and feast those evil eyes of yours on my television. Also, don't go anywhere.
I can tell you.
I'm in pain. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, somebody tell me what to do right now, cause I'm dying in pain. Don't pay back to buy. Cause nobody knows.
Onome? Onome? Sure say maybe this girl run come out. This girl no dey house. Maybe
Onome. Oh, I feel for you. I feel for you because you will eat sand when you come back from wherever it is you set your useless foot into. Simple instruction. Simple instruction. Sit your buttocks at home. Don't go anywhere. But no, idiot had to go out to show me that she has legs. Those legs will be cut off by the end of today. At the end of today, those legs will be cut off. Stressing. Look at the time. Look at the time. 11 p.m. my God. It's late into the night. Oh, Jesus, should I be worried? Should I be worried? It's almost midnight. Stella. It's me. No, I'm not sleeping. There's apprehension here. As I speak to you, Onome is not at home. She left. To God knows where. She was in the house when I was preparing to come and see you. I saw her doing a few chores. I left specific instructions saying she should not go anywhere. Only for me to come back and she's nowhere to be found. At first I thought she may have gone to see somebody in the neighborhood or something. But this is 11 p.m, babe. What should I think? What's going on? Eh? Okay. I'm still here. I'll be waiting. Hey! Onome, the thunder that will fire you is still doing press up. You will hear me.
Madam, you call me.
As if I knew something like this would happen. I left you specific instructions saying Onome should not be allowed to go anywhere. Now where is she? Where is she? She's nowhere to be found. Where were you? Where were you when she left?
Madam, I go toilet too. As I come back, I can't hear noise for gate. I think say na please. As I reach there, I come be say I check inside, I come be say Onome don't come out too.
She better come back. If she doesn't return, I will have your head for it.
She will come back now.
Shut up! Get out!
Sorry.
Does it mean she's not back? She's not. She's not. What will I tell the village people and her mother? What?
Just calm down first. Calm down. Maybe she has been kidnapped or something.
Kidnapped?
Yes.
By who? I'm not a millionaire. And I certainly have not offended anyone that will want to get back at me by kidnapping Onome.
What if we get the police involved?
The way it's done, one should wait for at least 24 hours before reporting a missing case. And on God, I hope that's not the case.
Okay, well, I'm thinking, what if she found her way to the village?
How? Does she know the way? Who would have given her money?
That girl. With her eyes like that. Don't underestimate that girl. Don't.
I think I know where she might be.
And what kind of allegation are you trying to put on me? Answer the question, Madam Teacher. Someone is missing here and you are a suspect. You're a detective, right? Fake detective. And what makes you think I will kidnap Onome? Simply because I want her to take part in this scholarship program, which her auntie here bluntly refused. And I forgot about her. Her auntie said she's traveling to London for vacation. And presently I am working on another student who will take her place. All thanks to Almighty Madam Ruby.
All this attitude will disappear by the time they arrest you and put you inside cell, madam. Okay, you want to give me attitude? Don't worry. Let today elapse and she does not show up in my compound. Then I will arrest you. And then I'll have the police know that you have been insisting on enrolling her on a scholarship program, contrary to my approval. And you even went as far as threatening me if I don't approve that she registers for the scholarship. Wait and see. Then we will know who has attitude, whether it is you or I.
Okay? That would be nice. I'll be so glad to tell the police how you've been abusing her. Eh? Or you think she doesn't tell me things? Sorry to disappoint you, Madam Ruby. She tells me everything.
She tells you nothing. You are bluffing. You don't know what you're saying. Marcus! Come and drag this smelly, archaic, analog teacher out of my compound! Marcus!
Anyway, I don't have time to bluff with you. You will meet with the police.
Leave before I burn you. Just wait. Before I will quench this cigarette on this your sponge that you call a hair. Can you imagine? See what that stupid Onome is putting me through. This yeye teacher that I can pay her salary for 5 years is talking to me anyhow. Let me see her first. If I don't grind Onome and snip her like tobacco, she will not know it's me. If she is not at her teacher's place, where else could she be? You see what that stupid good man has caused for me? Marcus! Marcus!
Madam, you called me.
Have you seen the mess you put me into? Have you?
Madam, I did sorry. I know you say that girl will come back again.
Babe, don't you think you need to go to the village and find out if she's there or not?
And tell her mother what?
Just go to the village, you know? Just to go and spy. If she actually made it to the village and she told her mom something bad about you, you can defend yourself. And if she's not there, you just tell her mom you were passing by and you decided to visit her. You know the way you did last time. You know exactly what to do.
That's a good idea. But what if she's not there?
Madam, that girl go to village. She must there for village. You know, say, madam, the way they beat that girl, they beat her, they maltreat her. Madam, the first thing I make that girl wrong, come go village. You see, they beat that girl well. Sorry.
Get out!
Sorry.
Pack your things and leave my house.
Madam, sorry, madam.
Go first. You're fired. Go first.
What kind of human being is this? Babe, please don't let this man get to you. Eh? You have serious issue at hand.
Don't pay by the bad, cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven? The deed is done. Please let's move on. Why treating me this way? Cause nobody knows tomorrow.
No, I am happy to see you. Thank you.
No.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
I'm coming from somewhere, so I decided to branch and find out if the Gary and plantain is...
Hi, it has finished. Oh, but don't worry. I'll get another one and bring them to the city myself. You know, go?
Not to worry. It's okay. It's okay. Is Onome here?
No. Is she not with you? Is everything okay?
Yes. Of course, everything is okay. I thought she would branch over and see you on her way from Abuja. She traveled to Abuja actually, and the plan was I come here and we go in together. I thought she would stop by to greet you.
Biko, tell me the truth. Is everything okay?
Everything is okay.
Chapolo, but how can a girl of 19 years travel to Abuja by herself?
She's a big girl. A wise one at that. She knows how to handle herself. She usually travels to Abuja and back with airplane, which is totally safe.
Onome,
yes.
Hey, has a friend that her parents are rich. Hey, I am happy. Girl, Maka.
I'm happy too.
I'm very, very happy. Hey.
Well, since you said she's not here, I'll be on my way. When she comes, tell her I can buy.
That's so bad. I will. Biko, drive safe. You know, go. Papa, I'm on watch. And you know I'm not feeling fine. I can't see you out.
It's okay.
Babe, how did it go yesterday in the village?
She wasn't there. And her mother doesn't have a clue about what is going on.
No, this is serious. I think it's high time we went to the police.
I already did. They were here yesterday.
Okay.
They asked me a few questions and left, saying they would work on it.
Oh. God, I pray they find her. Because this is not funny anymore. I pray they do.
When we find her, I bundle her to her village with speed.
It's okay. Just calm down. I pray they find her first. That's the most important thing. I don't like this mood you're in.
Nobody knows tomorrow. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back no honor. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back no bad. Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human. And to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven?
Good evening, viewers. This is a news update. Life University held their scholarship examination program yesterday, and this is one of the participants who made it and has been given admission to study in their university. Onome, please. Congratulations. Please, can you tell the viewers your name and how you feel about being one of the beneficiaries of the scholarship program?
Thank you. My name is Onome. I'm extremely happy. I'm super excited. I don't even know how I'll make it this far, but God Almighty, who is the heaven of Helpless, did it. I want to thank Life University for this opportunity given to me. I'm so grateful. And I also want to use this medium to thank my auntie Jennifer. Congratulations, dear auntie.
Jennifer, Lord! They deceived me! And what's the meaning of this? You lied to me. You kidnapped my niece because of your stupid scholarship, while you pretended not to have known about her whereabouts. Got me worried for nothing. You. Every time you're pretending to be smart, claiming to know everything. Mrs. Right,
let me tell you, we'll sue you for kidnapping and you'll pay for it. Shut up! I said shut up! I did not kidnap Onome. And note this. Onome has gotten the scholarship. The school has already given her the scholarship and she won't be living with you any longer. Do you understand? And she now belongs to Life Mirror University. I saw Onome hogging water along the road with the boy she said she's living with. Why are you this wicked? Eh? How could you be this wicked? In fact, if you want to go to the police, I will gladly add to your transport fare in case if you don't have enough cash to take you there. You're a very wicked woman. Eh? How could you treat a 19-year-old girl like that? Deny her of everything. You're such a wicked woman. How could you? How could you do it?
Nobody knows tomorrow. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back the honor. Cause nobody knows tomorrow.
You believe that somebody survived. Though the doctor said she will be fine, but as we speak, she is still alive. When you told me we are at the camp, instead of to tell me, I went there by myself and helped her. I came back home just last week in town. One of our friends, Stella, the one comes around to help her. Oh, man, you're not talking.
Mama, what do you want me to say? What? That is a woman who nearly destroyed my life. Who subjected me to inhuman treatment. Who always gets angry, insult me, insult my mother in every little mistake.
In fact, when she was staying with your father and I, we maltreated her. Then I was a very difficult woman because I had no issue there. I'm sure she maltreated you just to come back at us. You know, now that you have finished your service, you have to go there and help her. Seize the opportunity and get a job in the city. Instead of coming here in the village to come and stay with me. You're going up an ever,
You are right, Mama. I need to get a job in the city. Tomorrow, I will go to the city and visit her.
That's good. Yeah?
Oh, Mama. Yes. You need to see how she treated me.
She's family. Remember, she is the reason why I am still alive. She paid for the dialysis and for the kidney transplant operation.
Hello? Who is this, please? Oh, Stella. Stella, I've been waiting to hear from you. When are you coming back now? Ah, that's a long time. Okay, what about the young girl I requested for? Yes, now, I told you I need somebody to be assisting me. Have you found? Oh, okay. Okay. So when is she coming? Eh? 2 weeks? 2 weeks is a long time now. How do I cope in that 2 weeks? You know, I told you. It's okay, no problem. Thank you. Why? Who is that? Who are you?
Auntie Ruby. Auntie Ruby, good day. Auntie Ruby. Auntie Ruby, it's me, Onome.
Onome?
Yes, Auntie. I'm here.
Onome! You came!
Yes. It's okay. How have you been?
As you can see, I am now a blind woman. It was an accident.
It's okay. Mama told me already, and she asked me to come and help you. I just finished my service.
Congratulations!
Thank you, Auntie.
Congratulations, my daughter! Oh, I am so proud of you. Very proud of you.
Thank you, Auntie.
God knew I needed you. And He brought you to me now. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you.
Auntie, I also came to look for a job here.
Oh! You'll find good jobs.
Amen.
Watch and see how God will line up great jobs with good paying salary for you.
Amen.
Welcome.
Thank you, Auntie.
Now that you're here, I want to go inside.
Okay.
Take me inside.
Have you eaten anything today? Have you eaten something? Don't worry, I'm here. I'll take care of you, okay?
Thank you. Please forgive me for being a terrible person to you in the past. I want us to live together as one happy family. Please.
Auntie Ruby, honestly, I have nothing against you. If I do, I won't be here in the first place.
Thank you.
Everything that happened remains in the past. I love you so much, you're my auntie. And I know that someday you will get your sight back.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Me again. Now me no Onome now. Onome dey set me water for your back that year. Now me Onome.
Onome?
Yes, Onome. Long time. Oh my word. Onome, you look so good.
Where have you been? Come here. Are you sure?
Yes.
I look good.
Yes. What's going on?
Hey.
What are you doing here?
You where have you been?
Another thing.
Look at come on, don't. See the book as my shop.
You never change that. You never change. Amani. I've missed you.
You. That was what happened. A few weeks later, I lost my mom.
What?
Yes.
Your mom?
I lost her. Yeah, she's dead.
So sorry about that.
And because of the preparation of her burial, I was devastated. I was unable to meet up with taxi I was driving balance. So the man came, took it from me, and gave it to someone else.
That man must be a wicked man.
He is.
How will he do such a thing to you?
He is. I've been struggling, trying to meet ends meet, but look at me. All I know is once there's life, there is hope. So
yes, that is hope. Don't just worry. God will make a way. He will always make a way.
Amen. So tell me, now that you're done with service, how are you coping? Where do you now live?
I stay with my auntie.
Which one? The wicked auntie.
Yes.
The one that was maltreating you.
The one you know, yes. So. My auntie is not a blind woman. And I'm so sorry for her.
How did it happen?
I don't know. Yes, accident. Accident. My mother, she asked me to go and help her and also use the opportunity to look for a job in this city. You know how this country is. That's why I'm here. If not, I will not even be here at the first place. Because if I remember all she did to me in the past, nothing will bring me to this place, even to her house. Nothing.
What? It's okay. It's okay. After all, it's just temporary.
Sure. Just drink up and escort me to the house. Come on. Let's go.
To your auntie's house?
Yes, of course. Are you scared of us?
Anyway, she's not blind.
Because she's very want to go. Yes, Auntie.
Did you get what you wanted to get?
Yes, I did.
Okay, welcome.
Good day, ma.
Good day. Onome,
Auntie.
who is that?
His name is Amani. He's my friend. We actually serve together. And he's also looking for a job.
Oh. You're welcome, Amani.
Thank you.
God will help you and give you a good job.
Amen. And I'm coming. Do you need anything?
No.
You're welcome.
Wow. Nice place.
Yes.
Your aunt has taste.
She has?
Yes.
Do you know what? Just sit over there and let me get you something to drink.
No need. No need. You know we already had something at the bar, so I don't want to drink anything again.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, I said so. Wait. Is it that same woman outside you told me about? Like your auntie maltreated you, dealt with you?
Yes.
Some woman? Wow.
But God is punishing her now. Anyways, I've forgiven her. I have.
That's good. And I hope she has changed with her condition.
I don't know. Me, I hope so.
Pray so?
Just sit. I'm coming.
Alright. Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Why am I perceiving secrets? Eh? Who is smoking in my house? Onome?
Yes, Auntie, I'm here.
What is that smell? Do you now smoke?
No. He's my friend.
Your friend had the impetus to smoke in my house.
Auntie, I don't understand. Does it matter? You two used to smoke. Right?
It is my house. And I could smoke because I wanted to. And you know I don't smoke anymore. So who is this your friend that is smoking in my house? And why is your friend still here? Is it not late into the night?
He's keeping me company. I told him to pass the night with me here.
You asked him to what?
I told him to pass the night with me here.
You're stupid. Something is wrong with your head. You want him to pass? You actually said that to me with confidence. Since you knew me, has any man ever slept in my house? What nonsense is this? Where is your friend?
What's going on? Who's making noise?
You!
What's the problem?
You are the problem. Leave now before I embarrass you.
I should leave.
Yes.
I'm not going anywhere. Okay? I'm not going anywhere. Why do you want me to?
Auntie, enjoy yourself. Stop! Stop!
I'm not leaving. You old blind witch. Okay, see, I wonder why you even came back to take care of this witch. After everything she did to you.
Did you just call me a witch? Let thunder fire you. Let untimely death take over you. You are very lucky. You are very lucky. Very lucky that I am blind. Otherwise, I would have broken your skull. Idiot. Wait. Auntie, stop.
See, listen, I will not leave. I will not leave. When you maltreated her, she left the house. I was the one that took care of her.
Auntie, stop! Will you do yourself? Just stop! Stop! You're embarrassing him! Stop!
Get out of my house!
I am not leaving. Come and drive her to the house. I took care of her when you maltreated her. She left the house. It is time for her to take care of me too. And I am now the boss of this house. I'm not going anywhere.
What is all this? Because I'm in your house. You're insulting my visitor. What's going on?
What's not going on?
What's going on? You said we should leave. We are leaving. Please. Tell your friend to excuse us. Yes. Amani, excuse me. He has left.
Where are you?
I'm here. Okay. I'm here.
Okay. I'm sorry. Please. I'm very sorry. I don't want you to go. I'm only looking out for you. I feel that your friend is not the kind of man that you should be with. He seems like a bad man. Imagine him smoking in your auntie's house and about to sex you on the couch in my living room. He does not have respect for you. And you should not be with that kind of boy. Auntie Ruby, I may be blind, but I still know bad boys when I encounter them.
Auntie Ruby, you don't even know this guy you're talking about. See, Amani is a first-class student. I love him and he loves me too.
Leave his academic background. A bad boy is a bad boy. Men are scum. Men are scum. Don't end up a single lady like me. But at the same time, don't attach yourself to a boy who is a scum. That boy looks like the devil.
You are the devil! Self. Because that's what you look, see, you are evil! Jesus! Look at the kind of advice you're giving to your niece. I see why God gave you blindness. God should have added deafness. In short, she will be blind and deaf. She'll be doing. You'll be blind. Look at you, evil woman, blind woman. If not for God, then I'll kick you. You fall and hit your head. What sense?
I told you to ask this boy to excuse us.
Can you even imagine the kind of advice I'm giving to you? Your niece. Like, don't you want me to get married or what? Huh? I'm so disappointed in you.
Looking out for you.
Looking out for me.
Looking out for you.
Stop, sorry for yourself. See, Onome, we are not getting anywhere again. Let's go inside. We'll stay in this house and she'll do not do anything. If you can't not take it, we'll drive out of this house. You, let's go. Nonsense. Evil woman. That's why God gave you blindness. You should have added this, you will do. Nonsense, rubbish.
What are you doing to me with this boy?
Smelly woman.
What are you doing to me in collaboration with this boy? I thought you said you are forgiving me, Onome. Why? Why are you people tormenting me in my own house? Why?
Don't pay by the bad. There's nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven? The deed is done. Please let's move on. Why treating me this way?
In short, all together.
I'm going to forgive my auntie, hoping that she has changed. But with what I'm saying, I don't think it will be possible again.
Forgive what? Change what? That woman? Change? Oh, you are deceiving yourself. Even with her blindness, look at the way she's still. Look, she's blind. You think she will be formed? She will be good to you? No. Have you forgotten all she did to you? See, honestly, you have to open your eyes. You have to be strong. Oh. You have to wise up. Oh. See, you are a fresh graduate, and with the condition of this country, see, no job anywhere. No job anywhere. Nobody's gonna give you. Nobody's gonna help you. If you like, come out with the station, everything to get the job is very difficult. So this is the opportunity you need to help yourself. You have your mother to take care of. So grab this opportunity and utilize it. Utilize it. Okay?
You're right.
See, let me tell you. You see that woman you're saying there? That woman is evil. It's eye for an eye. So you have to do everything possible. Look for what you lay your hands on and establish yourself. That's it. That's all you need to do right now.
You're right. But you know when asking me to do is not that easy. It's not easy.
What are you saying? What do you mean it's not easy? Eh? See, listen to me. Like I said before, the only thing you need to do right now is to look for anything. Just check if she has money. If she has money, lay your hands on it, grab it. If it is property or anything she has, hijack it. As far as I'm concerned, you are her next of kin. Because you are the only family member that is close to her. She's not married, she does not have children. Eh? So grab what you have to grab and see. You don't know what to do.
No, like how do I go about all this?
How do you go about what when I am here? Wait, suddenly have you forgotten the person that first class student, A1 parallel, the distinction?
Calm down. Me and you know say you no go school, man. You know they calm down. Who they form for?
Just better. Don't continue what you said. I have it here. I have it upstairs. I will guide you. Okay? Like I said before, all you need to do is to look for if she has money and everything. Lay your hands on it. If it is property, lay your hands on it. Flush everything. Eh? Yes. By the time you get all these things, now we can even decide to relocate. Get our documents, move to abroad. Americana. You see? We'll start a good life. Get married. Have children.
This is a payback time. For all the things she has done to me in the past.
Maybe talk so much more. Babe, let's go on the shots. This house is now our house. I'm not doing anything. Let's continue from the shot. This advert I just give you now.
No, that's my room. It's a lie. You said it's not from now onwards. You have no right to that way. Let go of my hands.
I will.
You can't chase me out of my room! You've not seen anything yet.
If you tell me, I will not leave that you. I am not the landlord.
Leave my room for me!
Are you talking?
This is my house and that is my room. You can't chase me out of my room.
It is not your room. Landlord has taken over.
It's God that will punish you. It's God that will punish you. What is that? It's God, wicked woman.
We have taken over.
Don't pay back.
Stay there. Open your ear wherever you'll be hearing.
What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be
That's my room.
The date is done.
It's my room.
Let's move on. Why you treating me this way? Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. What did I do to deserve this? What's my crime that can be
Auntie, you are here. My friend and I, we are going out in search for job.
Okay. I hope you put my food on the table where I can see it.
Which food? There is no food. The little rice that was left yesterday
just ate it because we need to go out. If you are hungry, there is Gary. Just take Gary and there's sugar. Where is that sugar again? On top of the table, dining table. So sugar, use it.
Excuse me. You ate rice this morning
Yes.
and you want me to drink Gary?
What's wrong with that?
You must be sick in your head. Must be a foolish idiot.
See that is an idiot. See that is blind witch, stupid woman. Who are you to call?
Onome, are you going to stand there while he insults me?
And you're the one insulting yourself. He insulted me first. For your information, he met first class in school and we should respect him. We should even be happy that he's staying here with us. Do you think it's easy to have a first class daughter in this country?
Why you bringing me down before your blind auntie now? Not just first class. Distinction, the best student in my faculty, A1 parallel. Engineering. See, it's a privilege for me to stay in this house, so you need to respect me. Say, okay, not fine. That's okay. If you don't want to eat, drink Gary, we'll buy you gala and soup when we are coming.
And to see when I return. My auntie, the only woman I love so much, my pretty woman.
Ruby.
How are you?
Ruby, I hope you enjoyed the Gary and sugar.
Why are you treating me this way? I am your blood.
Auntie, I'm so sorry. I'm going to make you food now.
What do you mean? I said, did you enjoy the Gary and sugar? Answer me now.
God punish you and that Gary. Did you hear me? God punish you.
What's the meaning of that? What did I do? Why are you insulting me?
You are an idiot. God punish you.
God punish you too.
God punish you.
God punish you.
You're hopeless.
Look at you.
I will use this and break your head.
I will head you now.
I will remove your head from your neck.
Remove it.
And you're getting me angry. You're getting me angry now. You're getting me angry.
Remove
what? Why are you shouting first class student? What is it now?
Hopeless first class students. He has no brain. With which brain did he become first class?
It's like we don't want to make this food for you again.
Sorry. Sorry, come.
Auntie, stop! Wait.
Even with your blindness, you're sleeping with. Which?
Auntie, I'm coming to make your food for you. Let me get some water. Pepper. From where? I think you not to be in it.
What is even your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Everything you complain. You want to be now, they're giving you food. They are shouting pepper. If there's pepper, drink water. Ah!
Why did you put this amount of pepper inside these noodles? Auntie, you know I don't like spicy food.
I made it myself.
You did what? It's not you that made it.
It
must be him.
See, if there's so much pepper, if you take two spoons, you drink plenty of water. It will even help you. So that before the end of the day, just till tomorrow, you will not ask for anything. There will be no dinner for you tonight.
Idiot! Was I talking to you? To you! If I insult him now, you will say I'm insulting first class boyfriend.
See, we are watching TV inside. Reduce your volume. I don't want to hear any noise again. Or you mute it. Mute your volume.
I'm inside.
What is it again? My phone! Your phone! It's put down! Water! Water!
Why are you acting like
What?
3? Yes.
What? At least there must be money inside these 3 cards.
Yes, so.
Which bank is this one? First one. This one. First bank. There must be money.
But there is a problem. How do we get the password? Here's the password.
Password. Where's that phone?
Her phone is with me.
What? See how messages.
Onome, that's my phone ringing.
It's not your phone. It's my phone that is ringing.
You don't think I know the ringing tone of my phone? That's my phone ringing.
Auntie Ruby, it's not your phone for crying out loud. Can you just let us be in this house?
Onome, bring my phone. I know what I'm saying.
He's a lie, yo. He's a lie. You don't know what you are saying. You're talking rubbish.
Wow. Good news.
Tell me.
Good news. Put together my calculation, everything that is inside your auntie's ATM card. Sum together is about 6.5 million.
6.5 million naira. My auntie is very rich.
Yes, so blind, rich woman. That's who she is.
We don't even need to look for a job for now. All we need to do is just calm down, take our time, and enjoy our money.
Like enjoyment.
I love enjoyment.
Are you thinking of working before? Carry 5, start looking for a job. They start paying you, let's say, minimum wage 40,000 or 30,000. Come on.
This country is just business.
The cruise, who won't work for them? Settle to so. See what we're gonna do now is we'll take let's say approximately 1.5 million naira.
Okay.
Keep it somewhere.
Okay.
We'll use the remaining money. Plan how to enjoy life. Go for shopping.
Yes.
Buy like 5 or 6 human hair. Change this bobo. This bobo. Don't that strike now. This thing will shock you.
Then we'll party with the rest.
Buy good food. Then we'll use that 1.5 million naira to rent an apartment. Furnishings.
Yes. You have sense. You have something.
Yes,
You have something.
Distinction now, first class now.
Stop. Which distinction? You don't start again. You don't start. You don't start.
You're for my hand now.
For which hand? You don't say logos.
A1 parallel.
You just do pass yourself. Oh my word. But you know what? Like we are men. God.
Auntie Ruby, relaxing. Well done. Auntie Ruby, well done.
Well done from doing what? Is there any work I did that deserves a well done? Aproko, keep your mouth to yourself.
If I didn't greet you now, you say this boy is rude. This boy does not have respect. Now I'm greeting you, and said, okay, sorry, I didn't know your frustration has taken you to that level.
You are the one that is frustrated. Let God punish that your mouth.
You see your wicked auntie is insulting me now. She's insulting me. God will punish you.
Onome, please, bring my phone to me.
Do you have a phone? I have not seen you with any phone in this house.
I have a phone. I believe you saw my phone the day you people came here. Wait, let it not be that this your boyfriend has stolen my phone.
Jesus.
Are you being my boyfriend a thief? I don't remember seeing you with any phone in this house.
Go into the house, search every corner and bring me my phone now.
You don't have a phone. You don't have a phone. Don't stop stressing out. See, go out and remove your clothes. Let's go to the shower and bathe together.
Bathe together? In my house?
What will you do?
You are an idiot.
Is she not my girlfriend?
You are unbelievable. Onome!
You are the one that is blind. You are the one that is looking for trouble. See, when we are bathing, he's screaming. So that's the end.
Let thunder strike at your mouth.
Turn you and nobody will come and see you.
Okay, come inside.
Okay, enjoy yourself.
Yes.
See, baby, as they hot like this, you're supposed to plan your birthday tomorrow. To give you a very good birthday party in this house.
Tomorrow is not my birthday.
You see? So listen, sophisticated girls, real what's-up girls, they do 5 birthdays in a year.
Really?
Yes. 1 original one, 4 photocopy. Yes, now. Anyone they cash like this now, the second day or the third day is their birthday. Oh, listen, all we just need to do, throw your birthday, then just invite few people who will be here and throw bash in this house.
Okay, we have a point. So,
yep.
How we take to now? Where do we start?
Yes, all we just need to do is go out, go a little shopping, buy a few clothes, buy a few drinks, invite a few friends, then
What about birthday cake?
No. Since it's not your original birthday, we're not going to use birthday cake. Since it's photocopy, it's a normal party. Just few drinks, that's all.
Wait. I have a suggestion.
Go on.
Isn't it better we do this birthday weekend? Like, since tomorrow is Friday, we use Friday to get whatever we need, both the drinks, wine, everything. Then Saturday we do the birthday. Then we also invite our friends, you understand? On Saturday we can celebrate the birthday. Isn't that better?
No, nah. See, like I told you before, this is photocopy birthday. So there is no need shouting it, inviting too many people, because if you invite too many people, you go cast. You understand? All we need to do is to invite just few people that don't really know your original birthday. We'll invite them, just throw the party in this sitting room here. This is go sing, we'll have fun. Drink.
You know, you be Baba. That's where you talk now. Yeah, I go to. No problem. I'm not a problem with that.
No problem, that.
You may go school.
You run out. Yes.
Distinction. I don't honor. Distinguished.
Best student in Ambusali University. KP. Mechanical Engineering. A1 parallel.
Hey. I should be open this door now.
I won't. This is my house. Go away to wherever it is you're coming from.
See, listen. If you don't open this door now, I'll break this door.
You are bluffing. You cannot break it. Go away. This is my house.
Auntie Ruby, you are getting me angry now. Just open this door this minute.
I am the one already angry. Go away. I don't want you in my house again. My friend is coming back to take care of me.
Open this door.
You people are foolish to think that you can gain access into my house. I have locked everywhere. You can't get in.
Winch! Access to the house. Blind wicked.
A mistake will never make your entire life. You're wicked, you're evil. So you want me to stay outside, right?
Evil blind woman. Blind, you are still wicked.
My auntie said her friend will be coming tomorrow, and that will be a very big problem for us. What do you suggest we do about it?
This friend she's talking about, you know her?
Yes, I think it's Stella, our all-time best friend. Yes.
Okay, then there is no problem. All we need to do tomorrow is to welcome her, lure her into one of these rooms, and lock the door. Yes, as we lock her inside the room, if possible, we'll tie her so see her mouth so she can make noise. Then our party continues. We need to get this our party. We need to have fun tomorrow. So nothing can stop our party tomorrow. So leave her. She's not a problem. Once we're done with our party, after done everything, go withdraw a very huge amount of money. Then we'll leave. We'll start our new life.
Master Nana.
You can see that.
You see, this of PhD, this thing no be nothing, no be like ordinary something.
You
they work for you.
You degrade me when you talk like that. You use one left of your mouth to talk fully with pride. Distinction holder in mechanical engineering, EKP. A1.
Hey! God.
In the history of Ambusali University, I may be the only person who get distinction for engineering.
As we not come go school, what we go do? No, we go hang ourselves or we go care ourselves.
To forgive is divine. Don't pay by the bad, cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? To err is human, to forgive is divine. Don't pay bad with bad, cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven? The deed is done. Please let's move on. Why you treating me this way? Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, I'm in pain. Somebody tell me what to do right now. Yeah. Don't pay back to back, cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human, yeah. To forgive is divine. So don't pay back to back. Don't pay back to back, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human.
Jesus! Auntie Ruby! We don't on Auntie Ruby! She's still outside! She's still outside! Jesus!
What happened to my auntie? Auntie Ruby, no.
Jesus.
Auntie Ruby, no. I didn't mean it this way. Auntie Ruby, no. We need to call the police right now. We need to call the police.
Are you right? Call the police. Eh? We should call the police and tell them what? That will kill the hide. Is that what you want to do?
What do you want me to do? I'm confused.
Allow me to think.
Think fast. Ask fast. Think.
See, now, okay, we'll take her to the mortuary. Okay, we'll get there. Ask us questions. What happened to her? We'll tell them she slept and she didn't wake up.
Can you listen to yourself? What about the stress of her body? Don't ask questions of me right now. Auntie Stella, good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, I don't remember you. Do I know you something?
Yes, Auntie Stella. It's me, Onome. Onome, the little girl of those days. It's me.
Onome? Wow, you've really changed. How are you?
I'm fine, Auntie. This is my boyfriend. We served together.
Hi.
Yes, my name is Amani.
Are you guys okay? Where is Ruby?
We are okay. Auntie Ruby is inside, but she's not okay. We're just waking up now.
Oh, yes. What she's trying to say is, we just woke up. We came to the sitting room and we saw her lying on the couch, but she's not breathing fine.
What do you mean she's not breathing fine?
Auntie Stella, I think Auntie Ruby is dead.
What? Dead? Hold on! Ruby! What did you do to your auntie? What did you do to her? Because
She can't breathe. She's already dead. What did you do to her? And what are these stripes on her body? What?
We did not do anything to her. We just woke up this morning. I saw her like this. We don't do anything.
Onome, don't lie to me. Do not lie to me. Because these stripes on her body seems like she was strangled or she was tied overnight. What did you do to her?
Auntie, sister, madam, we cannot lie to you. How? I would lie.
No, we're not lying.
We will not lie to you. We just told you the truth. Yes, okay, fine. We had a lot to drink a lot last night. A little party here. We were drunk. Went upstairs. We slept. Woke up this morning. Came downstairs. And we saw her like this.
You woke up. You drank. You slept. No. I don't believe you. You must tell me what you did to my friend. And by the time you get to the police station, you will explain what you did to her. You will explain what you did to my friend.
I need up with the police.
Please don't come here.
What have you done?
What did I do now? Can you see she was trying to call the police?
What is wrong with you? We are still battling the pregnancy. I have the guts to do this.
It's the best for us. You should call the police. We'll be in trouble. Police. Police.
How did you? Do you know what? I did not subscribe to this. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are doing.
Baby, come now. Calm down. Say.
Where's Auntie Stella?
Where's she?
Auntie Stella!
Oh.
Young man, for your information, this entire building is under total surveillance by my men. So be very, very careful. Detective.
Sir.
Please go in there for confirmation.
Yes, sir. Now you're crying. Now you're crying, you little witch. Your auntie told me how wicked you were, but I did not believe her. Must you behave like your father and your mother? Must you? You had the guts to kill a woman who did everything for you. Sir, it is confirmed, sir. She's dead.
She's dead.
Yes, sir.
Good. Young man, you are under arrest. And for your information, you have the right to remain silent, because whatsoever thing you do here or act shall be used against you in the court of law. Detective.
Sir.
Arrest them.
Yes, sir.
Once more for your information, you are warned. Any false move, you are gone. My men are out.
Don't pay by the bad, cause nobody knows tomorrow. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven? The deed is done. Please let's move on. Why you treating me this way? Cause nobody knows tomorrow. Yeah. What did I do to deserve this? Was my crime that can be forgiven? Oh, I'm in pain. Somebody tell me what to do right now. Yeah. Don't pay back me back, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human, yeah. To forgive is divine. So don't pay back me back, don't pay back me back, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human, yeah. To forgive is divine. Don't pay back me back, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human, to forgive is divine. Don't pay back me back, cause nobody knows tomorrow. Today is human.